fun start to the week. I helped my roommate move out because she transferred. So now I'm rearranging the room. It's 2 o'clock. I skipped my first class of the day to help her move out, and my next class is in 2 hours. But I kind of can't do anything. Also, it's a mess, so that's fine. How am I doing this? Wait, I'm stuck. Fuck. My plan is to put both beds together here. That's the window. Am I gonna wake up with the sun shining in my face? Yeah, that'll be fine. Literally, how am I doing this? Yes, no, no. What? Why? Wait. So this is an update. It's been half an hour? 2:30. The beds are together even though you can't really see. Desk vaguely there. Empty. Gotta move the closet the whole across the room from there to her. Still need to pull out my luggage and completely unpack from winter break because I haven't really even opened them yet. I'm tired. I'm dead. There's half an hour until my class. Anyway, our AC doesn't work right now. I think like our entire floor is something about it. I don't know. We all had problems. So the window's open. And I'm wondering if I should open it more. But I'm paranoid a bird will come in somehow. I don't know. I'm just too tired to clean. And I want to eat ice cream.
Okay. We're back, folks. So this is just a practice one. And what you're going to do now is you're going to shadow and take a couple of pictures. And what you're going to do is you're...
Then Tanya asked her, don't tell her mother, and she met her husband, Matt Hench, who she divorced 3 months ago. Probably because he's a major loser. Hey.
What's happening? Is Charles having a stroke?
No, he's warning me you're here, so I won't talk about other girls. I just thought it might be weird for you.
Did not say love or deeply.
It's in the past, Amy. Move on.
out in the school cafeteria. I just did my COVID test. So that's fun. It's kind of weird being back and like it's so empty. Did I get a PB&J because there were so few people in there and I was really scared? Yes. It's fine because I had apple juice. Delicious. Holy shit. It's freezing. And so windy. On my way to Blick, where hopefully it's warm inside. It's so far up there. But just crying things, you know. Anyway. No, I was just cleaning up my desk, like reading some old things. Anyway, that one mainly stayed the same. Just like move my makeup and some stuff to this one. So it's like, I don't know, it's like an empty one. It's got a few stuff right now. And then I finally put up my planner. I'm trying so hard to use that goddamn thing. I better be able to use it. There's some drawers. We don't talk about that empty space / boxes. Here's the bed setup. 2 beds, 2 blankets. Because I'm having some of my friends' stuff right now, so. Both of my drawers, both of my drawers upright. I'm just procrastinating, honestly, I think. On what else do I have to do? Homework, taking out the trash. Oh fuck, doing dishes. I guess like actually putting stuff in my planner and then starting something else. I don't want to take out the trash. Yay.
after 3. Either way, the maths bit will come way after. So let's. Alright, this doesn't go well, does it? I'm gonna come in really more.
Good job.
Can you see that?
Let's see if you both
Oh, it was in my face again.
2,
Oh, that was not fun.
jump.
Oh, I think I see it.
It can't be a bad idea to go and have a.
I don't know what's up with these bang parts, but it's kind of whack. Kind of really whack. Every single time I do my hair, I never know exactly what I do, so that the next time I want to do it, it doesn't turn out the same. It never does. I'm just gonna taste the foil. I am in food coma. Should I wear lashes today? Literally, why not? I can't believe I'm doing this. This is why am I doing this?
I've been eating a lot. It's whatever.
I look insane. I mean, I did want to go insane, so hold on. The mood of today is crazy. That's the mood of today. I'm not even going out unless I run out of ice cream and chocolate. Then I'm going out. That is atrocious. Okay, hold on. This is off. We're just gonna stop. We're just gonna. Why am I doing this? At least now I look stupid enough that it works. I feel like I have to complete this thing now too. Like, my face just kind of gives off, you know, like frog vibes. I don't know. But here's the fit. Yes. You see these lovely pair of sweatpants because I'm not leaving. There we go. Hi. Ooh. I am a crazy person, and that is okay. Enjoy my bare socks, please. I feel stupid, but it's fine because no one remembers anything that happens on Zoom, and that crosses in an hour. And I still need to eat lunch. Yeah, I did put on lipstick. It wasn't black, but it's the darkest thing I've got. I have class in 8 minutes. They're not gonna recognize me from next week. What? I know you can't see the flaws on Zoom, but like, what if I went over with another layer? I don't know what else to do at this point. I'm late. Fuck. Ooh. Please open. Oh. Oh, there we go. Meeting started.
As we wait for everyone to come in, I just want to welcome everyone, but I just want to let everybody know that we're going to have to turn our cameras on during class because it's really strange to talk to a blank screen.
Oh.
Alright, so we have 5 more people that still need to.
I just looked up origami shoes, and they're kind of the cutest things ever. It's music's at 7:30, it's 8:30, and oh, it's snowing. I'm sure it's turning to like wet slush or whatever once it hits the ground, but still. Look at them fast, fat little flakes. Oh. Low-key worried they're gonna like fall into my room, but that's not really gonna happen, so we'll be fine.
Or on Canvas, or by your or class plate. But if you have other questions or you
It's 5:30. It stopped snowing, like, I don't know, at lunchtime. I just got off class, took a nap. I'm gonna go get groceries, even though I know this is like probably one of the worst like times in the day to go to Trader Joe's because it'll probably be really crowded. But I kind of desperately need to go. I'm gonna go insane. So that'll be fun. I think a lot of this, because it stopped snowing, like a lot of the snow on the ground already kind of like dissolved into wet. Hopefully I can get some groceries. I'm praying it's not that busy, like extra busy as well, because of probably the storm. School closed tomorrow. They sent me an email earlier. So that's fun to think that, like, had it been the middle of the week and had we been going in school as a person, maybe we could have had a snow day. I don't know. Like, yeah, we would have had on Zoom, but still, you know, like, yeah. I keep yawning. Last semester, Fridays were like my break day, I guess, mainly. I had class and then I came back at 12 and I just napped and did whatever. But that is not the case, I don't think. It doesn't have to be the case, but it probably will be because I know how much I procrastinate. Oh my god, Trader's was so crowded, but like when I went in, there was no line. And then when I went to go line up, there was a line around the store. I think because of the storm, like so many extra things were out. Like a lot of the shelves are just pretty much empty, so that was great. I think it's starting to lightly snow again, or maybe I just couldn't see it earlier. I think I'm just happy to have meat again. I got coffee. Hopefully that goes well. It's different from what I usually get. I have homework to do. Yeah, majorly so. I'm going to be so stressed this weekend. But is it snowing? Also, yes, it's 10 p.m. We're gonna go out. We're gonna go out and have some fun. It's snowing. The park is most definitely cold. I mean, closed. Can't really see it, but like there's snow everywhere. Oh yeah, the park is so closed. Oh my god. Look at this! Ah! Am I on the private property? Yes. But everywhere's closed, so. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's packable snow. I'm gonna regret this. Delicious.
I'm laying in my bed all night, just like, whenever I do wake up, I just kind of like watch the snow fall and like, you know, just the waves of the snow. Okay, so what are you? Are you? Wait. Yo, why my foot be kind of wide? Hold on. Do I have a high arch? Is that what this is? What? Huh? You know how a usual foot like stamp looks like? Why is mine so wide in the middle? Ah! It's fine. Anyway, I feel like a kid again drawing my foot out. Okay, so my foot's 10 inches? My foot is 10 inches exactly. What the fuck? Yeah, there's an extra like little like half width or whatever of the fucking pencil. How that's half an inch. So my foot's approximately like 9.5 inches. Wait, is that what size goes by? No, I'm a size 8. Wait, between the widest points of my foot circumference? No, wait. Determine the foot length. Big toe to heel. We did. Perfect. Why does your print look like that? We did the length. Circumference at the ball of the foot. Use a dressmaker's measuring tape. Bitch, please. Do I have string? So, wait, the length is 10 inches. I'm a child. What? Why are feet so big? Oh my god, this is insane. I am astounded. I am horrified. Fuck, now I have to make the mock-up. Is my foot the size of my face? How proportional are... Okay, wait. Okay, so apparently the length from your wrist to your elbow is the same size as the length of your foot. No, that's so accurate. What? Do you see this? Elbow, right? Wrist. www.13.org says a foot equals head. A person's foot is often about the same length as the head, chin to crown.
Is my head tiny? What are normal body proportions?
Put your own spin on a minute. 30-minute cooking time begins now.
I don't know what you did to that thing to make it taste like
Syrup. Now you think about it was all ironed out, but in the end, that's just the way it goes. $200 thing, how about it? Call this a collab syrup.
big. I made some syrup with some sugar, some water, mix that together, and then I put it into ice cream machine.
I can't take the strings.
Like, is this really happening right now?
I don't want to. Time is a factor because now I have to share
You, but not for me. Like 53.
I just got back and I picked up my package. My aunt sent me these. She sent me these cookies. They're from Cheryl's. Can you see that? Cheryl. These are like the best fucking shipped cookies, packaged cookies, whatever the hell I've ever had. She sent them to me for my birthday. Oh my god, last year. Seems so long ago. And I just got them again. Oh my god. When I tell you these are the best fucking sugar cookies I've ever had, period. These are the best fucking sugar cookies I've ever had, period. Ooh, there's hearts. Oh my god. Ah! Yo! So happy. Please don't rip, please don't rip. This is gonna be one janky show.
Okay, so one.
I look crazy. Okay. Yeah, I still have my groceries. But I was like, I haven't really taken a walk in the snow since it had like stopped snowing, and I wanted to do that before possibly the sun melted all away tomorrow. And like a lot of it's still untouched, which is kind of surprising. Like the outer main like walkway of I guess Sky Park is just like cloud. I don't even know anymore. But there's like no one here. Which okay, yeah, I guess makes sense, but also I don't know.